Apple's gearing up to refresh its MacBook Air lineup with the integration of the latest M4 chipsets in March. This update will mark the completion of the MacBook line's transition to M4 processors. According to Mark Gurman, the upcoming 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Air models are expected to launch simultaneously, similar to last year's release pattern. As part of the Apple Silicon transition, the MacBook Airs have largely shared specs with the entry-level MacBook Pro. The base model 14-inch MacBook Pro, which features a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and 16 GB of RAM, might help to provide insight into the performance of the upcoming MacBook Air models. The new MacBook Air models will also likely inherit the MacBook Pro's ability to connect to two external displays simultaneously with the lid open. Apart from the M4 chipset, not many upgrades are expected from the M4 MacBook Air. However, it might include Thunderbolt 4 instead of USB 4 or Thunderbolt 3, a center stage camera, and a nano texture display option. With this MacBook Air update, only the Mac Studio and Mac Pro will remain on M2 generation processors.